In this video, I will show you how to screen mirror your iPhone to your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. So by the end of this video, you should be able to connect and cast your iPhone screen to start displaying on your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. And first things first, you want to make sure that both your iPhone and your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick are both connected to the same Wi-Fi. Over here, I have my TV and my Xiaomi Mi TV Stick is currently connected to this TV. Now if you come over to my iPhone over here and then just scroll down this notification center, you can literally see that my iPhone is actually connected to iPhone 13 Sam, which is actually my hotspot, and I'm using as my Wi-Fi in this particular case. Now go ahead and make sure that both your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick is also connected to that same Wi-Fi. So basically, if you come over to the settings of my Xiaomi Mi TV Stick at the top right corner of the TV over here, you can literally see that under the network, it is also connected to iPhone 13 Sam, which I am basically using as my Wi-Fi. So go ahead and make sure that both your iPhone and your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick are both connected to the same Wi-Fi or the same hotspot network. And once that is done, you want to come over to the Google Play Store. So go ahead and open up the Google Play Store on your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick over here. And from the Google Play Store, you want to head over to this search bar at the top over here. Then come over to this image field and then go ahead and search and download the app known as AirScreen. Now basically, this app is going to serve as the Apple AirPlay that will enable us to be able to screen mirror our iPhone to the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. You can literally see the AirScreen app over here, so I'll just go ahead and select it just like so, and then you want to make sure you download and install this app into your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. As you can see, mine is already installed, so you want to go ahead and install it and then go ahead and open it up directly from here. If you're using the app for the first time, you might actually have to go through the quick setup process, and once you're done, you'll be taken to this page over here. And finally, you want to come over to your iPhone, swipe down to this notification center over here, and then you want to go ahead and click on the screen mirroring icon, which is basically this box icon over here. Okay, so just go ahead and click on it just like so, and automatically you should be able to see the name that is being displayed on the AirScreen app over here as one of the devices you can actually cast your iPhone screen to. So just go ahead and click on the name on the AirScreen app, which is basically here, as you can see, and automatically your iPhone screen will be screen mirrored to your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. So as you can see, it works absolutely well. So I can go ahead and start playing games, music, and even watch videos from my iPhone, and it will be displayed on my Xiaomi Mi TV Stick over here. And that is basically how to screen mirror or screencast your iPhone to your Xiaomi Mi TV Stick. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.